welcome back to my YouTube channel. And welcome me too. Yeah, she's back in this video too. And I regret it, but it's fine. So today we're making a special drink that's a bit different. Yeah, so it's hot outside now.
Obviously it's hot, I mean it's summer right now. So.
Yeah, so we thought of making a milkshake. That's Duck Fantasy milkshake. So we have like the ingredients, which are 4 cups of milk.
Wait, that's like for 4 people, okay?
So 4 cups of milk, of course. And 2 to 3 Duck Fantasies for each cup of milk. And a little chocolate and some cashews.
Yeah, so that's all of it.
Let's get going. Cooking.
Going.
Cooking.
Going.
Cooking.
Going.
Cooking. We're going to take the Duck Fantasy and put it in the blender. And then take the milk. Put that in too. Okay. And take your cashews.
And chocolates.
No, don't take the chocolates fully. Just leave a few chocolates in between, like at the end. And some little cashews too. So let's blend this.
So like this is how it like looks.
Yeah. Let's pour it into the cup. The milkshake is ready. Let's pour it into the cup. So also make sure that it's not fully blended and there are little pieces of, Dark Fantasy inside, like small crumbs of it, and not fully blended, and that it's too smooth because you need something crunchy in between. So
It's like kind of thick and kind of
creamy, kind of. Let me give it the taste. Oh, forgot the chocolate.
and the cashews.
Yeah, my chocolate just sunk in. So did my cashews. Oh, that was smooth.
Yeah, that was smooth.
So let's try it. I liked it. It's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
So, hope you liked that video and try the recipe. So, bye guys. See you next time.